find myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. Pray for good health. One day I'm really gon' ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake. Flexing 700 in the bank. Not a superhero, I don't save. Look at my face. Look at my grades. Don't match up, no love. Fuck a date. I just fade. When I hit the jack, you can keep the pie. Every night I gamble, I stop. Yeah. When I check the cost, I was like,
oh, that's expensive.
ay, rolling flex in my ear. You a fucking odd, you weird. Which way I'ma steer? Know the bags of money be near.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with yet another review, and in this video we're going to be talking about one of these sneakers that a lot of people seem to be quite split about, and no pun intended there, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Fearless. What's up guys? If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. Most people call me JD, and if you enjoy honest sneaker content, sneaker reviews, all that good stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button, and of course like this video if you enjoy the content. It really, helps your boy out, pushes me up that all important YouTube algorithm, so definitely drop some likes on the video if you enjoy the content. Now let's get into it. These sneakers dropped on November the 2nd worldwide. $160 was the retail price, 160 euros in Europe. And the reason for the extra $10 is because this is a special edition Jordan. There are a lot of things about this sneaker that make it a very special shoe, which we will get into right now. Starting off with the box. So this is basically an inverted Jordan 1 box, which is normally predominantly black with red letters. As you can see, we got a red and black box, and I think that it looks super dope. And it's kind of weird that it took Jordan Brand so long to invert the colors. It seems like a pretty simple idea, but yeah, I think that looks super dope and definitely adds a lot of, I guess, specialness to this shoe. For the Jordan heads out there, the Jordan collectors, I'm sure you guys appreciate a touch like this. On the inside of the box, you see this paper here that has a single quote that repeats itself over and over, and it forms this pretty nice pattern visually, like a line pattern. And basically the quote says, "Limits like fears are often just an illusion." And that is a quote from Michael Jordan's Hall of Fame induction speech in 2009. So shout out to Michael Jordan's publicist for that one. You can find this quote all over this sneaker. You see it on that paper. You also see it on this index card that comes with the shoe. Also on this hang tie here, you see the quote repeat itself again. And also on the insole of the shoe, you see that same quote keep repeating itself. And this quote is repeated so much, it got your boy confused. Like, is this sneaker really here? Is it just an illusion? I don't know. Getting into the sneaker, you guys can see there are two main colors on this sneaker. You got that UNC blue at the back, and also that Chicago red on the toe box. And I think, like when it comes to these red and blue Jordan 1s that we've seen, also just like these split color Jordan 1s, I think the split in this particular sneaker was very, very well executed compared to those previous splits. Talking about those homage to home Jordan 1s that had a split right down the middle that looked absolutely trash can water. And also those top 3 Jordan 1s, I hated that shoe. Like, it just kind of looked like clown shoes to me. And just the way that the colors were mixed together looked really weird. But on this particular pair, I think that it's really, really well executed. And this actually looks like a very seamless sneaker. It doesn't look like two sneakers put together. It looks like it's cohesive in the way it's done, in the way the split is done. So that is something I definitely appreciate a lot. The leather on this sneaker is all patent leather all around the shoe. There's not much I can really say when it comes to the leather quality of patent leather sneakers. It's just that they crease quite easily. And to be honest, if I could redesign the shoe, I would just make it in a regular leather, because I'm just personally not a big fan of patent leather, but that's just me. My favorite touch on this sneaker is actually this jewel logo that you see right there, which has a bit of gold in it. I think that looks so hard. That's super, super dope to me. And I wish we kind of seen that in more Jordan 1s. I think that's sick, guys. If you look at the back of the sneaker, if somebody didn't tell you these were the Fearless 1s, these definitely look like the blue chill ones from the back. The bottom of the sneaker, you got that nice red bottom. The sneakers also come with multiple laces, so they come default laced with these black ones, but I put the blue laces on the other pair. I actually think that the black laces by far looks the best on the sneaker. But then I saw a picture of a Young Thug rocking these shoes with the blue pairs, and I thought that looked pretty dope, so I gave you guys that look as well. Additionally, with these two laces, you also got some red laces as well as some white laces. Both of those ones I think would look kind of weird on this sneaker, so I would personally go with either the black or the blue. Overall, I would say in terms of execution, it's a very well executed sneaker. Do I like the sneaker though? Hell no, this colorway is absolutely terrible in my opinion, guys. This is some Pepsi looking ass, Aquafresh toothpaste looking ass, 3D glasses looking ass shoes. I could never wear this. This is just not my style. I guess the shoe is just not for everyone, just for the fearless ones. That's a bar right there. But that is just my opinion, but let me know what you guys think about this sneaker. As always, I would love to know your opinion. Let me know what you think about this colorway, and also how do you guys plan to rock this sneaker? Let me know down in the comments. If you guys cop this sneaker just for resale, now I've already mentioned all the things about this sneaker that make this a special edition sneaker. And for that reason, I think that with time, this sneaker is definitely gonna rocket up in value. Jordan heads out there, these sneaker collectors out there would absolutely need to have a sneaker like this. They're like, when you look at all the other Jordan ones that drop, they never come in a special box like this, also with all these different lacing options. And like, I mean, overall, this sneaker does look kind of clean. Not a big fan of the colorway, but in terms of execution, I think this is a very well executed sneaker. And I do think that the resale prices, especially a year from now, are gonna go up quite a bit. So I don't plan on wearing this because there's literally nothing, or I don't know if I just don't have the swag or if I just don't know how I could possibly rock this sneaker. So I don't plan on rocking this. I plan on just stocking it for a while and then maybe trading up or selling it in the future. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with it. But yeah, those are just my thoughts. If you cop this just for resale, I would definitely hold it because a lot of people are gonna be trying to sell it in the next 2 weeks, so the prices are gonna go down. But I would hold it for a year because I do think that these are gonna go up long term. As far as fit goes, these fit like any other Jordan 1 sneaker. So in my case, that's true to size. If you guys have never worn a Jordan 1 before, I would compare it with like an Air Max 1 or an Air Max 97. I wear the same size in those that I do in Jordan 1s, just for a sizing reference. That's pretty much my review. Make sure you subscribe for more content. I will be dropping a review of the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision at some point this week. I did manage to cop those as well, and those look pretty dope in hand too. So make sure you stay tuned for that review. And of course, follow me on Instagram, guys. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. I do drop a lot of content on there as well. And of course, like this video if you enjoyed the content. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. The on feed coming up right now. Until next time, guys, peace.